Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Gupta and I am doing PGDM in Retail Management from Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida. Good evening everyone. Today we have with us Gurvinder Pal Singh ji,
Hi.
Abhijit Pandre ji and Akhil Chopra ji.
Hello.
These are the people from the industry having a lot of experience, and today we will going to discuss about something. Sir, can you tell us about your opinions regarding doing business from customer's point of view and from a company's point of view, whether they should go online or whether they should operate through store-based business? Sir, what are your opinions?
For me, I will say, let me start from customer's point of view. Wherein customers, considering we have young generations, lot of customers, majority of Indian populations are young, I guess, and we have easy access to internets and smartphones. So I think first impression of me as a customer, I will say it will be more towards going online and shopping things, giving it back, not liking it, easy mode of payments and all that stuff. From company's point of view, I will say it depends at which stage the company is and what are its cash positions, financials, whether what financial leverages company can have. Right now, if I say a company like Xiaomi, who has done absolutely wonders before even opening without a single store, they are totally online. So it is a more of a holistic discussion where there has to be more holistic approach towards these kind of things.
Abhijit sir,
Yes. See, if you are targeting, obviously we have to consider a basic target segment. What is a customer? We have to understand their behavior trends. Say, a trend who is moving towards the online shopping. Okay. Even though people are going online, but there is a smaller sector of people who are not accessible to the internet. Okay. So if you want to cater this whole bunch, so we have to have a normal store-based model as well as a online retail model. Okay, so wherein you can get customer, they want to experience things, they want to touch and feel. So they'll prefer this store-based model. And suppose if we talk company point of view, okay, there is a lot of saving in terms of storage, okay, back end. Company can save a lot of money if they go for online thing,
Okay.
and even the reach is more. Okay, so why don't we can merge these two things, and they can have a hybrid of this, wherein like customer can have a variety of
So
things.
you are
as well
basically
as-
saying omni-channel retailing.
Exactly.
Adopt
Yeah,
omni-channel.
mix and match on both things.
Okay, sir, what are your views?
See, for any strategy to be adopted, we have to see the advantages, pros and cons of both the things. Like my friend said, he gave an example of Xiaomi. But let me again take an example of a competitor of Xiaomi, which is Apple. Apple still sells all its phones and majorly all its phones through their own stores. And they sell through the brick and mortar shops which are available everywhere. They still find that strategy to be much more worthy because they sell a premium product, people like to see it, experience it, and then buy it. So before deciding any strategy, it's very important for us to see what product we are selling, what kind of target audience we have, which location we are selling. Again, take example of India. 70, though on the one hand 70% of our population is young below the age of 25, which actually uses smartphones, but again 70% of our population lives in rural cities where the how you will supply that material to them. They are still not properly, their houses, their addresses are not properly mapped, so there are a lot of physical infrastructure problems which exist. So we have to take a holistic view before deciding on any one strategy. That would be my solution to us.
Okay, thank you everybody for your precious time. I hope you like the video.